Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this Texas travel vlog, spend the Memorial Day weekend with my family and I as we explore the best that North Padre Island and Corpus Christi has to offer, including a stay at the island's newest waterfront property, Aruba Bay. Here's what we did on our 4-day vacation. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Priscilla. I'm a lifestyle and travel blogger based in Texas. Welcome to today's Texas travel vlog. We are in the car headed from San Antonio to North Padre Island. It's about a 2.5–3 hour drive, and this is for our annual Texas beach trip, which we usually do 1 to 2 times during the season. So it's late spring and we're already headed out, which I'm so excited for. It's supposed to be beautiful weather the whole weekend, and John's driving, of course. The kids are in the back, and we have family meeting us there as well. And this time around we're extra excited because we are staying at a new waterfront property called Aruba Bay Resort. It's supposed to have like wonderful amenities just steps away from the beach and a nice pool, so super excited to check that out. If you guys enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys when we get to the resort. Okay, so we just got here to Pelican Point at Aruba Bay Resort. Let me give you guys a quick little tour before we bring everything inside. Okay, so when you first walk in, you do see everything is very beach vibes, beach house, open concept. We have the living room here with a lot of seating, a nice TV, and these chairs and couches look so comfortable. Right over here, we have a little area. We can eat breakfast or dinner, and then we'll check out the back deck in a second. And this is the beautiful open concept kitchen, and it actually is Memorial Day weekend, so it looks like there's a schedule of activities here, so we can check out the yacht club. Looks like there's different activities, Zumba, karaoke. This is so nice though. Look at this welcome package. Oh, Audrey's gonna eat this whole bag of goldfish. You know it, she had some on the way over here, but again, this is so nice. And what is this? Some Prosecco. So we can toast to the holiday weekend. Let's see what's actually in these. Okay, so we do have some glassware. What's in here? I know we plan to cook a few nights, so that always comes in handy. This is where we parked up in the front. There's a couple spots right in front of the property, which is very convenient. So we're literally just bringing our luggage right in. Okay, so just off the living room, we do have a full bathroom here with a shower. So let's actually head up to the second floor. So that was the bottom floor, and I believe all the bedrooms are upstairs. Okay, so we have another bathroom, another full-size bathroom right when you come up the stairs. Looks like this is one of the bedrooms with bunk beds. How fun is that? Okay, this is bedroom number 2. We have another full-size bath here with a shower. Okay, and it looks like this is the main bedroom with the king-size bed. Let's check this out. Wow. What a view, you guys. This is so nice. So this is the view from the upstairs deck. Okay, and there's one more room over here. So this is a 3-bedroom. So we have another king-size bed here, and then like a little day bed over here. And it looks like all the rooms have TVs, which of course is so convenient. So by the way, I've actually stayed at another premier Gulf Coast property a couple years ago. It was just something I booked, I think, like on HomeAway or Airbnb. So if you want to check out that vlog, I will link it down below, because that property was also so cute. For this day, I'm actually working with the property. They were nice enough to host my family and I. So if you like what you see and you want to stay here, I will leave the website and all the information down below. Again, this is Pelican Point. I also have a discount code for you. It's Priscilla20. I will put it on the screen and down below in the description box. Look at these little rascals coming up the stairs. Be careful. Hi. Hi. Do y'all like the beach house?
Yeah.
So cool. They are cousins, I think like 6 months apart. Are y'all claiming beds? This is the little patio on the first floor. So it still has a really nice view, of course, and another little area here to eat outside. For dinner, we headed over to Snoopys Pier on Sunset Island. This is one of our favorite little traditions that we look forward to every year. So we just finished at Snoopy's. Babe, was it good?
Delicious, like always.
It was extra good this year. Today's a Thursday, and it actually wasn't that busy. So we sat down quickly, we got good seats, we saw the sunset, and our food came quickly. Last year it took a long time and it was really busy. We are headed to the pool for a little night swim. Whitecap Beach. This is kind of like the popular beach in the area that we usually come to every year. But today is a Friday. It's Memorial Day weekend. I would say it's pretty busy, but it's not like super packed. Tomorrow, I think it will be. And we've been here for a few hours. The sun's really come out, but it's so nice. There's a good breeze. And it's just really amazing to watch Audrey play with her cousin. I think tonight we're gonna stay in at the resort, make dinner. I don't know if we'll go to the pool again, but I'm excited to see the sunsets from the resort because the view from there is really nice. Okay, so we are back at the beach house. I want to say it's like 4 o'clock. Audrey's napping. And I just came outside to the second floor terrace. It is so nice out here, you guys. The weather is actually perfect. Like, it is hot and sunny, but it's breezy. And the beach was so much fun. It's just so crazy how fast from one year to the next, the kids really, grow. And Audrey's fearless, you guys. Like, I really have to keep an eye on her because she just has no fear of the water and going out to the waves or anything. But they had so much fun. and we were there all day and it was like perfect weather. Also, I don't know how much I've talked yet in this video about this resort. We are being hosted, but I've now been here for what, like a day and a half, and you guys, seriously, I'm in love with this place for a couple reasons. One, it fits the whole vibe, like the whole, so this is a 3-bedroom property, but they have like other 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom options, but the whole like place is just very beach vibes, you know, beach house style. So it's just really cute. And then it's right on Lake Padre, so we really have like the best view. I just love this area. And then it's super convenient, so it's only a 1 minute, literally 1 minute drive from Whitecap Beach. Family friendly, great for the whole family and the kids. They have a really nice pool here with water slides, and we took advantage of that last night. We went to do like a night swim, but I know we're gonna be back either, probably, maybe tomorrow we'll go back to the pool. For all those reasons, I'm totally feeling this property. So I think like if you come to Corpus Christi, North Padre area, definitely check out Aruba Bay Resort. Again, I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description box. It'll have like their website, so you can check out all the different properties that they have here. It is day 2 at the beach. My hat is flying everywhere. Okay, so we got here at the same time, like, I don't know, 9:45, and we went straight to Whitecap Beach, the beach we went to yesterday, and it was so packed, you guys, like so many people. It is Memorial Day weekend Saturday, so that's probably why. Decided to come to Mustang Island Beach, which I've been to before in past vlogs. If you want to see other Texas Beach, Gulf Coast vlogs, I'll link them down below in the description box. But anyway, so we came to Mustang Island Beach, which I love this park. I love this beach. And it's also really busy though, way more than I've ever seen it. And I have to show you guys our neighbors because they have the biggest tent I've ever seen ever in my life at the beach. Like in all my years of coming to the beach, I've never seen a setup like this. I actually went over there to make sure it wasn't like a special event for the beach since it's Memorial Day weekend. I walked over there and I said, is this like for the beach or is this just y'all's setup? And they were like, no, it's our setup, but it's so big. I'm gonna have to show you guys. But yeah, so we found our spot. We set up our 3 tents, and the guys went to go get breakfast for us. And that's one little trick. Sometimes we come first, set up, and then they'll leave and get breakfast and come back, that kind of thing, or somebody will leave and come back. But yeah, anyway, we're just going to spend the whole day out here. It's definitely gonna be much busier, but I'm really excited for another full day at the beach. And it's like about 4 o'clock right now, and it's really busy over here at the pool. I think a lot of excitement just because it's so hot. It's a perfect time to go to the pool. But anyway, Audrey's actually taking a nap, and my husband, brother-in-law, and son are actually fishing down below in the dock here at the resort. I can actually see them from the balcony. My son was really looking forward to fishing. It's something that obviously we only do when we come to the coast. Okay, so I have some time to myself to walk around and check out the property, so let's explore it together. Good morning. It's our final morning. We are leaving the beach house and headed to brunch at Joe's Crab Shack. So we just came to is North Shore. It's my favorite part of Corpus because of all the pretty palm trees. There's actually a playground over here for the kids, and then you can see the water in the back and the marina. It's just really pretty around here. And then the Selena statue is down the way as well. Just like that, we are back in San Antonio. I hope that you guys enjoyed the Texas travel vlog and all of the Texas beach inspo. Thank you so much to Jenna from the marketing team at Premier Gulf Coast Properties for, again, hosting my family night at Aruba Bay. It was such an amazing stay. Highly recommend. I will leave their website and discount code down below in the description box. Also, I have so many other Texas beach videos that I've made over the years, so I'll link a couple more down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one.